I know see a young nigga get wicked with the damn sticks on the E8. Hell no, I ain't playing, nigga. We firing up sticks on the E-way. Like what you saying, nigga? Went to Seth Fifth and bought the pink tape. Like what you saying, nigga? A whole lot of damn rap like a GK. Like I ain't playing, nigga. Ran another damn rap like a relay. Go get your money, nigga. Start jacking off on your mama couch. You a street dummy, nigga. Feel they hit that lead, nigga. Crash out. Like what's so funny? Twin laughing, I bought a party and I passed out. I pull up stunning at the Lenny's. I'm doing donuts in the track off. I feel like Tony. Who do I fuck with, me? Nigga slime me, cut the grass off. I want money, nigga. You wanna go and fall on her now. And that can ain't sunny, nigga. My cousin is still high. He's an asshole. Big heart brain dummy, nigga. Surprised she ain't tie me off in the lap go. School come on mommy, nigga. They say I ain't even in the class. Whoa. I'm out there sunny, nigga. But I don't even think that the class know. I'm getting cutty, nigga. I ain't even in the class getting ass though. Tryna get some cutty from I had the dick cut a little bit down. I'm Mr. Giving nigga PTSD, pull do arrow. I'm on here struggling, trying to stuff 3-5 in that little ass home. Can't come to Harlem Garden. Fuck nigga, to be honest, just a bad zone. Front round, shoot back at a car, tryna take off for a nigga bad though. I push one all day, arch up to my goddamn last round. Oh, yeah, rush fuck, damn. That little young nigga last song. Like, we caught that young nigga Kendrick, cause like, damn, was his last song.